right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it very much. So going out of order today, this is the second room that I started on today because I finished up the first one at the beginning of the day or halfway through the day or whatever. So this is the second room I started in. I went ahead and grinded a hole above the panel there for all the home runs coming down. And because we basically ran out of wire, just have the 14, I just ran a couple 14 home runs down to the kitchen, the dishwasher, disposal, and then had a little bit of 12 left over. So I went ahead and did the washer and the dryer with the 10-3. Here is another look at the kitchen above the studs going down the wall here. Some of the studs were missing. They just put them back in, so I can now run these wires over another stud or two to where they're going to go. But these wires are left super long because they're going to be drilled through the floor and then ran up right here to the island for the dishwasher, right there on the third stud, and like the fifth stud over there for the disposal for an air switch. And then moving on, back at the panel here, ran this other wire here for the bedroom 1 circuit because this is a 2-bedroom unit. So ran the home run over here to the bathroom switch box where they always go to. So the home runs always go to the bathroom switch box and then hop over to the bedroom on both sides. And then switching back over to the beginning of the day, went ahead and finished off everything in the first room, which included making up the panel, and then running the 3 switch legs or light wires for the last 3 remaining boxes for the FCU light, which probably doesn't make any sense to you, but there's going to be a little light above the fan coil unit for the access, so when they go ahead and need to access that and work on the unit, they can have a little pull chain light, and then the switch leg for the kitchen and the living room in these 2 boxes. And then went ahead and put mud rings on the whole unit here, but first, of course, making up everything and getting everything stuffed in the boxes and wired correctly so everything will work. So just trying to show off my work here a little bit, trying to keep it as clean as possible. So went ahead and did that, just making up these, which the plugs are basically just stick a ground wire in the box and then fold the 2 wires in there for the plug. So some companies wire nut everything, some companies just wire nut 3 or more wires, some companies just do wire nut the kitchen like 12 wires because the 14s you can stab in with 3 or 4 wires, so like 2 in the back of the plug and 2 on the screw. And then moving on to the washer dryer right here, that turned out pretty nice. Got that done, got the low voltage plug there in the panel done, and then moving on to the what is this? This is the, I don't know, I'm showing off the switch box here, but anyways, here's a bathroom switch with the 5 wires, the 2 switch legs right there for the fan and the light, and then the front door right here with the 3-way and the switch leg coil right there. And that'll do it. Hopefully you enjoyed. All right, guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Just to give you guys an update, I did exchange my router back today at the store. They didn't have the one that I wanted, so they ordered it. But I guess like 10 minutes later, they unloaded the truck and they have it. So I'll go back and pick it up tomorrow, and then I'll be ready to go with some faster internet. But other than that, if you missed out on the grocery shopping live stream, go back and watch that if you want to. I know some of you wanted to. So anyways, the connection was really bad, but anyways, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It would help out the channel. I love you guys. See you guys back here tomorrow for one more video for the week. It's going to be another short 3-day week with a 4-day weekend. Maybe I'll try to get another video out or something, or some kind of videos over the weekend or something like that. But hopefully you guys have a great New Year's coming up here, even though I still have another video tomorrow. Check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.